Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Monitorix on Ubuntu 22.04. Monitorix is an open-source, lightweight system monitoring tool designed to monitor as many services and system resources as possible. It has been created to be used under production Unix/Linux servers, but due to its simplicity and small size, many use it on embedded devices as well. At first, check the OS version. I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Before installing Monitorix, need to update the repository by using the following command. Repository has been updated successfully. Now install Monitorix with the dependencies by using following command. Monitorix has been successfully installed. Now check the version of Monitorix. Monitorix version is 3.14.0. Now enable Monitorix service by using following command. Monitorix service now enabled. Now check the status of Monitorix. Status is active and running. Now open browser. Then search with the following link. This is the Monitorix dashboard. In this page, choose the graph and the daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly options, and click OK. From there, you can see your graphs and monitor your server. This is the procedure to install Monitorix on Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.